Hey guys, not sure how well this angle is going to work, but hopefully it's good. Not really sure. So I got my sidearms ready for my spacers. Going to these are the adjusters adjusting the chain tension and the position of the rear wheel. So I needed to make something that would that I could use that to make it easier for adjustment. So I bought a bunch of scrap steel. Luckily I was able to find, I just bought some inexpensive stuff, and luckily it pretty much fits all my needs, has fit all my needs so far. So those are the pieces that I'll be tacking into place, and then my adjusters fairly tight. So this part, I'm just going to try to adjust my welds so at least some of the part is supported over here. I might just end up tacking on some more steel inside of there just to make it all nice and tight for this little cutout in the aluminum. Make it slide right in there. So we'll see how that all goes. So get to do a little bit of welding with the Chicago Electric 90 amp flex wire feeder. Flex wire welder. And see how that turns out. Still haven't practiced enough. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with those. They're still very ugly. The first one was so much nicer. I turned down the welding temp. Maybe that's why I should have just kept it up higher, maybe. But they're not going to be structural or anything. I mean, I just needed it for the adjustments. And then the other piece, this will need to slide back and forth along with the adjuster. So I'll drill a hole in the side inside of this. That's roughly around the same area as that, and then that whole piece will be able to slide back and forth. It'll just give a little more strength in the rear. Not sure if I'm gonna need it or not. I'm gonna also, when I put these on each side, actually go like this. I'm going to probably end up welding some braces across the back, or maybe just one, just to provide some more strength back there, and also do an additional shock off the back since I'm extending it so far. I just figured that'd be horrendous on the strain on the frame and the rear shock. So I have some shocks off of that other ATV that I bought, the engine, so I'll just use the shock off of that. And on the front end, I'm gonna have to get some straight tube and hook that up as well, so it'll be no shock in the front. But I think I'll be fine. It's all low speed anyhow. So that's it for today. Actually, I'll probably work on some other stuff. Um, got the rear taken care of. In the front, I just need to weld in the shims that will make it tight up against the swing arm. So, gonna work on that now.
So I'm going to weld up the other side like that, put a couple shims in, make it easy for the swing arm to come in and out. And then I'm going to drill some holes right here and one over here to bolt it on from the side. And then most likely a bolt somewhere back here near the end, straight down this way. Just keep everything super tight in there. Might not do the top bolt, not sure how much that's really, if I really need it or not. And I got some really strong bolts to bolt it all together. So we'll see how that all works out. So that's it for today. That's it for today. Cracker 2000 out. Don't forget to subscribe.
Cracker 2000 here, gonna take care of these swing arms. Got all my welds done. Grind them down a little bit more. Want it to look Mad Max-ish. Mad Max-ish? Is that the word? But I don't want it to be super out of control and people making fun of me constantly on my welds. So if I grind them down, they don't look as horrible. Oh, forgot to get a new grinding wheel. So deal with what we got. have a feeling this is going to cause some structural issues. Not really sure. How this is all going to work out. We'll find out. We will definitely find out.
You definitely will find out.
My wife will be taking the first test drive through the desert alone. Oh, had those perfect. All bolted on, ready to go. That looks way long. So I'll probably end up putting a shock mount somewhere in here, somewhere in the back. No going up to this area. This was twisted from the accident, so just extended a little bit. Maybe put a rack on the back. And then got to start on the front end. Oh boy. Cracker 2000 out.